In this video, I'm going to show you how to answer calls on Samsung phone using the volume up button. And I can easily pick this call using the volume up button by clicking on the volume up button just once. Then you see this call is now ongoing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pick up call on Samsung phone using the volume up button. So this works on all Samsung devices. All you need to do to set up the feature to pick up calls or answer calls on Samsung phone using the volume up button is go to your Samsung phone dialer, just like this. Then click on the three dots at the top right. Once you click on that, click on settings. Then scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. Then make sure you enable press volume up to answer calls. So if this is disabled in your own case, just enable this. And once this is enabled, any incoming calls coming to your Samsung phone, just need to press the volume up button to answer the call. So this is how you can easily answer calls on Samsung Galaxy phones by pressing the volume up button on your device. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.